Yeah, what are you guys making? Are you painting your house? Can I see all your tools? Look at this house they've started to paint. It has a little door and they're going to be painting, and the window, double door window here. Okay, painters, come on, paint. Come on, my little painters, paint your house. Okay. Yeah, I'll take it off. Okay, paint now. Very nice. That's okay. It's okay. After you're done, you can wash it. Painters need to get dirty a little bit, but try not to dirty the carpet though. Okay? Can I have it?
Painters need to have after we finish the door and do another side.
Nice.
We need to paint nicely. We need to paint like Java. We need to get everything covered. No black needs to come. No black needs to come here. No black.
Okay.
I'm going to paint it now. The door completely is coming. Look how the door is not.
Yeah, the door is looking great. I like the pink, blue house.
I
It's
will
like a
make
nice
the
blue house.
skeleton wait. I
Okay.
will make the skeleton stand. Do everything. I got my hands super dirty.
Okay.
Judy.
Hmm.
Try to keep
No,
it
no.
next to the ball that everything is.
Yeah, that's good. Show me the painting box. I'll give you pink.
Red.
Now we're gonna put some other colors, right?
Yeah. I'm going to
There you go.
Can I add?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Then we don't do it. Mix it. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm. Mix it and do.
There's so much colors.
Nice. Yeah. Just that front side painting today, okay?
Why not this?
That's good. Just the door and the front side we're gonna paint today.
No, I'm going to paint everything.
Okay.
Lots of work I need to get done. If we just exercise, we need to
Yeah.
do some paint.
What exercises do you do, Ryan?
High knees, push-ups,
Uh-huh. And
toe touches. This is how you do it.
that's how you do toe touches? Nice.
And we watched the video how to do it and we it looks very funny to do it.
That's good. Can I see all your tools? Did you use your measuring tape to measure the house? The roof was about 13 inches, right? The roof was 13 inches.
Take this off.
We're going to build a nice house.
Take this off.
We're going to make some gutter system in the house.
Look, your hand.
Put sofas and stuff inside. We just made our door now. And the interior we will be decorating
the
with you.
inside.
Ryan, are you having fun?
Some pink. Look what color.
Yeah, what happened when you mixed blue and pink, red? What happened? It became purple. We did a little science experiment here.
Yeah.
Blue and pink made purple.
No need to do the inside of the box house. No need to do you need
Yeah.
to do some fenders and
Good job. Your house is ready. Ryan, keep it over the box.
almost ready.
Please, Ryan, you're gonna drop it, and I'm gonna be very.
Man.
Can you leave it? I'll put it out for you.
Snap it.
No, wrong side, Ryan. Good job. Nice. It's done. Don't flip it, Neil, because it'll get on the carpet, okay? So keep it the way you have it. Hold the box as is, okay? Don't flip it till it dries.
And then we're gonna let it dry for some time.
And then we will flip
we'll
it.
do the other side. And then I'm going to do the other side. Keep this like however it was.
Yeah, okay. I have to return to my shop right here because I have to go sell some things. Okay?
Okay, I have quarters here. So don't touch it.
Okay.
Don't touch.
I'm gonna have to announce. We are actually at Home Depot, so I will then make an announcement because I need help.
Okay, are you at Home Depot?
Yeah, I need
have a
somebody
laser-
at the
laser light.
Windows department.
Look,
You know,
I
Home
have
Depot
a
sells
laser-
everything.
Laser light.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Nice light there. Now, let it dry on. How about I flip it on? Okay.
No, you can flip it on that. Yeah.
You can do it like this.
Don't do the bottom of the house. There's no point. Nobody's gonna see the bottom. Why don't you just do the side? This side now. You can do this side.
But everybody will flip it and they'll think it's not a house. How
Yeah.
about I can do it like keep it like
You go
that.
wash your hands and we're done. When we're done with our house, we will make another video and show everything.